Hey, what's up, guys? I just got home. I have a 2000 Nissan Maxima. I've been hearing this clicking noise since I left work. My doors were going on, open and close, open and close. And I actually just got home, and I'm hearing this goddamn clicking noise. I don't have a clue what it is. It sounds like it's coming from under the dash or the cluster. Listen. Well, if anybody knows what the hell this is, sounds like a relay is sticking. If you have encountered this problem in your Maxima, please let me know what it is. Thank you for watching.